Hi guys, charity shop gold or garbage, Yate today. Got myself a little solar rocker. I think I've got one of these already. Only 50p though, normally buy these for £1 in Poundland. And he's rocking just with the LED lighting in here, so he's doing well. Right, more dominoes for my domino cascade thing that I intend to do at one day or another. Rather nice coloured ones. I picked up some coloured ones the other day. They were in a plastic bag. But that looks like a complete set from W.H. Smith originally. Cost me 99p. So that'll go in the set. Oh, even got instructions on the back. And this thing, it's a cardboard glider. I looked at it and I thought, don't buy it. And then, although it says £2.99 on that side, on this side it only said £1. I thought, well, we'll give it a go. Stunt glider, build it yourself. 60cm wingspan, so it's about 2 feet, but it's cardboard and it's all folded up inside. Don't even know why that opened that way. Wing, fuselage, tail. 53 stickers. Cockpit. Flight book. Okay, let's have a look. Some rubber bands. So what's that? That's the fuselage, folded in three. Another bit. Cockpit. Oh, I see. It's one of those. Plastic clip together thing. Stickers. That'll make it go faster. Book. Oh, instructions. I might sit down and do this in a minute. So that, all folded up like that, will be the wing. Gosh. That's why I wasn't that keen on it. I thought, how on earth is that going to fly when it's all been folded up like that? But I suppose you find out when you actually put it together. So we might have to do that in a minute.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.